Today we'll walk you through the simple and effective process of achieving a straighter smile with ALIGNERCO's clear aligners.
It all begins with a consultation with ALIGNERCO's experienced orthodontists. They'll evaluate your teeth, discuss your goals and design a customised treatment plan just for you. ALIGNERCO will send you a convenient impression kit to take impressions of your teeth at home. Follow these easy instructions to create accurate moulds of your teeth. Once we receive your impressions, our orthodontists will create a smile projection, a digital preview of your future smile. ALIGNERCO's cutting-edge technology transforms your smile projection into a series of custom-made aligners. Once you receive your aligners, it's time to start wearing them.
As you progress through each set of aligners, you'll notice your smile gradually transforming. Before you know it, you'll be proudly showing off your beautifully aligned teeth. Ready to embark on your journey to a more confident smile?